Hello, this is Hargoin Peterson from CSC 110 Wellman class. It's winter quarter. So we're doing oh sorry, I'm actually got the wrong chapter. So let me go. I supposed to do the YouTube on chapter 8, not chapter 12. So yeah, chapter 8. So sorry. Let's go open chapter 8. I mean, not chapter 8, problem 8. So okay, great. Oh, not really. I have to open it on Python. File, new file, open. See, that's where I save all my homeworks. So let's go chapter 5, 8, open. Great. Then we have this. We're going to chapter 8, and we're going on 8. Let's make it a little bit where you guys can see, actually can read the problem, what I'm supposed to do and how it turns out to be. So it says right here, sorry again. Right here it says modify the total bar chart program so that the bar for any value of 200 or more is filled with red. Value between 100 and 200 are filled with yellow, and bars representing. So basically for this program I wrote, I used the total module, so, and then I used the sum function, and I set my windows, and tests where the color is, and that's right here. My function is t and h, and I tell turtle to draw a bar chart with high edge and the height, which is the height. H presents the height, so T begin fill, that's these the color presents. If H greater than 200, test color blue, red. Else if 100 less than or equal H, less than 200, test color blue, yellow. So I just set up basically that, and then I set up what to move, where to move, and also I plus the strength and the height, which it can like strengthen and write it out for me. And I set down how many, like the bars, what I want to name them. So this is what they are. So let's see, let's run it, and let's see if it works. Hopefully. Okay, great. So yeah, this is it. So as you guys see, this is yellow, I see define, and the blue, I mean the green, the red and green, which is both of them are less than 100, and this is more than 100, and this is more than 200. So it just colored to show what we expecting from it, which is great. Woohoo! Yes, thank you for watching.